What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have a premium tempered glass for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Now this is a beautiful device, but you do want to protect this screen because it is massive and you don't want any kind of scratches or anything like that. So I picked this up off of Amazon and it was around 20-25 bucks, and it comes with two screen protectors on here. I'll show you exactly where I got it. Pull up Amazon here, and as you see here, it's about 25 bucks. You can pick it up from Amazon, and I'll leave some links down in the description so you guys can pick it up. But I want to show you guys how to install it. I'm going to install it now. This is probably the second one that I've done on a tablet. I did one for the S7 Plus, but I did not do a video. So this thing's massive, but I think this thing has a pretty good kit that we'll be able to install it. So let's do this. All right, as far as the kit is concerned, you get some cleaning kits, which has the dry swab, the wet swab, all that good stuff. You get some instructions here. So if you guys want to know how to install it, but I'm going to show you here in the video. You get these little squeegees. You obviously get the two tempered glass inside. So 1, 2, and then you get these squeegee joints here that you're going to use to attach to the glass so that you can install it. All right, so let's get into it. All right, the first thing you want to do is you want to turn off your Tab S7 Ultra. Go ahead and power that off. Real simple. That way you got no kind of distractions as far as you know, hitting the screen where you're trying to install it. Go ahead and give this a little wipe down with a microfiber cloth. So you're going to take your wet swab and then you're just going to wipe down your device. You're going to take your little cloth here, make sure you dry it all off. Then you take your dust remover stickers, get off any excess dust. All right, then you're gonna grab your screen protector, take it out of the cover, and you're gonna place it in here. You wanna do this side here because you wanna peel this off. So you want to go ahead and place it on there so you can perfectly align it. It's a little slippery. Then you want to take your suction cups here and you want to put it at the top. You want to put this top here at the top down here. You want to put one on each side. And then you simply want to have your deal like this. And I would probably give it another wipe just in case you got any lint or anything on there. Then you want to pull off the back sticker here. You see the label there. Go ahead and pull this off. And you're simply going to grab your suction cups. Make sure you line up your camera perfect. Like that. You want to line up your camera and then make sure it's even on the bottom and all the sides. That looks pretty good. Then you want to just dip and let it kind of adhere or stick to your tablet. I like the suction cups. That's pretty cool little system there. And you kind of want to just make sure everything is sticking to it. Get rid of your bubbles there. You can even take your microfiber cloth and kind of work your bubbles out. You can work them towards your screen here. And then you want to take off the suction cups. So the way you do that is you want to kind of pull it off this way. Pull it backwards like that. And then pull this one backwards like this. You want to pull it towards this piece back. And then you just want to work out the bubble here that we had here. And the way you could do it is you could pull up on here a little bit to kind of get the bubble going again if you want, or you could just work it out. I'm just gonna work it out because it's already stuck pretty good, and I'll do the same thing on this side. Kind of work the bubble out, and then you probably want to have this sit overnight so that you can work all the bubbles out of it. But I think I got all the bubbles out already. So as you can see, that is a pretty good install. We're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up and see how it looks. All right, so it looks like a pretty good install. We got a little bubble here that I'll work out eventually, but pretty good install. I have fired it up. But the one thing I'm gonna have to do is probably re-register the fingerprint reader. But the first thing that we wanna do is we wanna turn on touch sensitivity. So we're gonna go here and turn that on. Okay, and the way you get there is settings, display, and then you'll be able to do the touch sensitivity. All right, so then we're gonna go back to biometrics. All right, and then we're gonna go to fingerprints, put in my pen again, continue, and then we're gonna do our fingerprint. All right, once you redo your fingerprint and increase touch sensitivity, you're good. Fingerprint will work perfectly with your new tempered glass. And that's how you install this bad boy. If you guys want to pick it up, I'll leave some links down in the description so you guys can pick up this tempered glass. Not a bad deal, 25 bucks, you get 2 of them. So you have a problem with one of them, you are good to go. And this actually does look pretty darn good. It did come out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. The install is pretty flawless. So that's gonna do it, man. Drop down in the description if you guys want to pick that up. You can pick it up from Amazon, 25 bucks. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Peace.